up, everybody? That was my dog. I came on here to talk about him because I feel like I'm just not gonna do my next dog the way I have done this one, because there is no way that I can even do anything. See, I can't do anything. It's just like everything's about him. If I'm talking on the phone, he thinks I'm talking to him. Can't be talking to my phone. I can't talk to y'all because he thinks I'm talking to him. See what I'm talking about? And then sometimes I just be wanting him to stop looking at me. Now, go on. I done spoiled him so much, he don't need. And then he slobbers. It's like Turner and Hooch slobber. And then want to shake. No. So I'm going to get another dog. My husband said no. But I'm going to get another one. I'm going to get a girl for me. Because this is actually his baby. Right. Right, Tank. So I want another dog. I'm not going to spoil her the way I spoiled this one, because he's rotten. He is absolutely rotten. And he's only sitting over there right now because I done fussed at him. I turned this camera on just so y'all can see how he was doing me. And then when I turn the camera on, he want to leave me alone. I'm about to make me some oatmeal raisin cookies. I'm trying to see if he gonna come back over here. Yeah, he's a hot mess. A whole hot mess. Right. You don't know how to just sit over there by yourself. The dog follows me everywhere. I mean, this is not pleather, baby boy. It's not pleather. It's not pleather. Okay. But I don't want to rub you. He's an American bully. His name is Tank. And he's a real bully. Like a real bully. You see how you doing me? I don't want to rub you. I don't want to rub you. Ow, my stitches. So you can't even. Now I gotta go take a whole shower from the licking. Tell the people how you be doing me. Tell them. All on top of me. I think you done hurt my stitches. Tank. Tell them how you be doing me. Stop licking me. Mommy loves you. Ow, your nails. Ow. That hurt, like for real. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Look it. I just can't be by myself. Everybody moved out. So we have 5 adults living here and 1 child. And my daughter had 2 dogs. So when my daughter moved out last week, she took her 2 dogs to her. Those are his friends. He loved them. They hated him, but he loved them. And so now he's just bothering me. He's so bored. Like, I can tell he's so bored. He doesn't know what to do. He just looks for stuff to do. He just walks around the house looking for stuff to do. So the other 2 dogs' names were Boots and Fancy. Let me see. Tank, where's Boots? Where's Boots? Where's Boots? You miss her? You miss your girlfriend? Where's Boots? Where's Boots? Go get her. Go find her. But one of the smartest dogs I've ever had. He's just too big to be inside. So my plan is to get a girl and have her outside, and I can transition him outside with her. I don't have nothing to say. Other than I just wanted y'all to see how my dog be doing me, but then he wanted to act right when I turned the camera on. So whatever. Talk to y'all later. Could you stop it? Ow! You're like really hurting me. He's like really hurting me. I don't want to. I don't want to throw it. Okay. Give it. But you came over here for me to throw it.